Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create shakes with flash effect for your edited videos on CapCut. So prepare your clips, then click on the first clip, go to animation, in, and select the swing button. Okay, and adjust it for 0.2 seconds. I'm going to go maybe with 0.4, and then click on the check icon. Then you need to do this for every clips that you add to CapCut. Okay, the last one. Okay, and then after that, go to overlay and stock videos, then select this white image. Okay, fit the size until it covers all of the clips, and go to blend, select overlay and put it into around 60. Click on the check icon and then adjust it so that it aligns with every clips. But first go to animation and out, select fade out and adjust it all the way like this. Click on the check icon, then copy the overlay to align with another clips. And for the last one. Then after that, you are done with the shakes and also flash effect. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.